Are you tired of your savings account gathering dust? Let's face it, traditional banks haven't exactly been keeping up with inflation lately. You work hard for your money, and it deserves to work hard for you too. That's where high-yield savings accounts come in. These accounts offer interest rates that are way above the national average, meaning your money can actually grow while it sits safe and sound. Today, we're going deep dive into Sofi's high-yield savings account, one of the most popular options on the market with a competitive interest rate that could potentially supercharge your savings strategy. But before we jump in, let's address the elephant in the room, that number you saw in the title, 4.5 APY. Is that a typo? Is there a catch? Well, buckle up, because the answer is both yes and no. Sofi does currently offer an APY of up to 4.6%, which is fantastic, but there's a little caveat. To snag that top rate, you'll need to meet a specific qualification each month. Don't worry, we'll break down exactly what you need to do in a minute. First, let's talk about the benefits of a Sofi savings account in general. There are no monthly maintenance fees, which is a huge plus compared to traditional banks that love to nickel and dime you. There's also no minimum balance requirement, so you can start saving with any amount, which is great for those just getting started on their savings journey. On top of that, Sofi offers mobile banking with a user-friendly app, so you can easily manage your account and track your progress on the go. They also integrate with various budgeting tools, making it seamless to incorporate Sofi into your overall financial picture. Now, let's get to the nitty-gritty. How to snag that top 4.6% APY. Sofi has two options to qualify for the highest rate, direct deposit or qualifying deposits. With direct deposit, any amount of recurring income deposited electronically from your employer, pension, or government benefits will do the trick. This is a great option for most people who receive a regular paycheck. The other option is qualifying deposits. Here, you'll need to deposit a total of $5,000 or more into your Sofi account within a 30-day period. This deposit can come from various sources like ACH transfers, wire transfers, or even peer-to-peer transfers. If you don't meet either of these requirements in a given month, your APY will drop to a still respectable 1.2%. But remember, consistency is key. As long as you meet one of these qualifications every 30 days, you'll be back to earning that top interest rate. Sofi's high-yield savings account is a solid option for anyone looking to boost their savings with a competitive interest rate and a user-friendly platform. The qualification for the highest APY is manageable for most people, especially with the direct deposit option. Remember, your money deserves to work hard for you. With Sofi, you can watch your savings grow faster and reach your financial goals quicker. That said, thanks for watching, and until next time.